guys, Elledani here, and I am bringing you yet another Grimfrost unboxing. This box is yet again thanks to all of you that are out there using my code. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy to be able to extend a little bit of savings to you, and in turn, by using my code, you help me as well. There's kinds of cool gear that I can promote. So don't forget, using Dracaena, Dragoness, that will get you 10% off most items on Grimfrost. This is a little bit surprising maybe to some of you, and definitely not in my normal style, but I think I look really good in these. I got the Berserker Snapback, which truthfully, I don't wear hats a lot, but I spend a lot of time out on the water in the summer, and I love these to block out sun. A snapback is essentially like a flat-billed hat with the snaps in the back. That's why it's a snapback. I know, so clever. If you don't know, a berserker in ancient Norse culture, it was actually like a warrior shaman that would ingest a certain type of mushroom before battle and then strap on a bear pelt. They would take on the essence and the ferocity of a bear to go into battle, which that's cool as fuck, guys. So moving on. I had like a little bit of credit left that I wanted to spend, so I always go into the wrought iron jewelry. You see me wear a ton of it, and honestly, I feel like I wear the same pieces over and over in every video. This is the Nidhöggr necklace, which is the serpent of the underworld. And again, these are so nicely made. I mean, Nidhöggr is almost like a parasitic serpent that lives underground. It's an underworld deity, and he essentially sucks at the life of Yggdrasil. If you guys would like more videos on Norse mythology, please let me know. I actually used to teach Norse culture and myth, so let me know if that's something you want to see more of, because I'd love to bring it to you if you're interested. The next thing, which I am so excited for, this is hand-forged iron. I think what they call it is a fibula. Essentially, this hold a cloak together, which I'm going to use this for cosplay. I'm so excited for this. It's way bigger than I expected it to be. It was surprisingly inexpensive. I'll put the price right here because I don't remember what it is, but it's really cheap for hand-forged wrought iron. What you would do is essentially like, I could probably do it with this. It would pin your cloak together. You'd put one side here and one side here. I didn't actually stick the needle through because I don't need to with this top. You'd put this pin through one side of your cloak and then the other, and it would help to hold your cloak together. This is the one and only demo of a wrought iron cloak closure that will be done on a Killstar harness top. So you guys are seeing it first and only right here. The next things that came by the time I ordered it, I was like, what the fuck is this? They came in like, to me, almost like medically sealed packages. If you've ever ordered like piercing needles or clamps or anything like that, they come in packages that look very similar. So I was like, what is this? I remember pretty quickly, these are the bone combs that I ordered. I thought these would be really cool to use with like hair tutorials. So there's this one that's like triangular. Ooh, this one is like really long and nice, and you could almost like, if you had a cosplay that you were wanting to display it, you could literally like loop some cord through there and display it that way. There's actually really nice detail. I believe these are all hand carved. I'll find out for sure. Oh, and then this one's even nicer. So these are all made of bone. Oh, they're pretty nice actually. I figured because I have a lot of like, I actually made my hair look really nice. I have a lot of Viking themed hair tutorials coming. I thought having these would be really cool to use in those tutorials, so I thought they were kind of perfect. So the last part of this haul, I actually ordered for Ragnar. It is the, which I'm going to open it. This is the Mjolnir beard bead. his birthday was last month. We actually went out for his birthday, and while we were out, he lost it. This was one of his favorite things, so when I was shopping on Grimfrost, I ordered him one. And truthfully, I thought it'd be really cute to like surprise him and call him over for the video. I lasted like an hour after I made the order because he was so bummed that we literally can't keep anything from each other, even if it's supposed to be like a fun surprise. We just end up telling each other always. So he does know, and I'm going to bring him in, and like I have done hair tutorials, I'm going to show you how to put this onto a beard.
Hi guys, Elledani Dracaena here, and I am going to share with you how to put a Mjolnir stainless steel bead on from Grimfrost. Let's go.
We're not even matching intentionally, so
No.
I put this on for the video. He didn't actually know I was putting it on.
Nope.
He had that on for his own video, so
I'm working on my own project.
I can't even tell you how often we accidentally match.
Yeah.
We really do. So as I just explained, I got him this Mjolnir beard bead because his was lost when we went out for his birthday. And now I'm going to show you how to put that on. So I'm sorry for like the weird ass angles I'm coming at. It's because he's in my seat and he's got jokes.
Oh, so many jokes.
So first things first, you will put your bead onto your threader. For the Mjolnir bead in particular, you want to make sure that that hammer is facing down so you don't put it on backwards by accident. Then, which Ragnar has offered to put his hand out so we can actually see what we're doing here because everything is black and dark. You will put the hair right into that threader. This makes it look way more complicated than it actually is. So right at the base of that band, so the band doesn't make it difficult. To pull the bead through. Pull that through that easily. And hold that for a second.
Earthquake.
What? Did it do that?
Yeah. Well, here's one thing you can do is if you have a thick enough bead or a thick enough braid, you can go up. But
however, you still want it to stay. So if you were going to push it up, you could literally put a band. You go closer. If you wanted to push it up, you could put a band right under this. Or you can put a second band so that it actually stays, which you've seen me done in many videos, and then you push it down, push your band together. There you go. Which again, because I'm wonderful and he lost his, I ordered him that, which was supposed to be a surprise, and I literally just couldn't surprise him. I was so excited.
I love it. I was very sad when I lost it. I was much happier when I got another one. Thank you, my love. And now I will wear this in my video.
Which I will link right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, Dragon Nest will get you 10% off any Grimfrost order. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy what you're watching. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.